Welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2025. Whether you're a beginner, a traveler, or a professional filmmaker, this list includes the best options for every need. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right into the reviews. Number 1. DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo. The DJI Avata 2 is an FPV drone designed for immersive first-person flying and cinematic POV content. It features a 4K camera, built-in propeller guards, a lightweight design, and smooth motion controls. With easy flip and roll features, it's made for both beginners and advanced FPV users. It's also FAA Remote ID compliant. DJI continues dominating FPV with the Avata 2. The improved image stabilization, extended flight time, and safer ducted prop design make this drone extremely fun and reliable. The Fly More combo gives extra batteries, making it an ideal choice for long FPV sessions. Pros: immersive FPV flying experience, 4K stabilized camera, built-in propeller guards for safer indoor-outdoor flight, smooth flips and rolls for cinematic shots. Comes with extra batteries in the Fly More combo. Cons: not ideal for long-range cinematography. Requires some learning for first-time FPV users. If you want a powerful, safe, and immersive FPV drone in 2025, the DJI Avata 2 is one of the best choices available. Number 2. Foldable black FPV drone with 1080p camera and GPS. This foldable FPV drone comes with a 1080p camera, 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS positioning, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, and a 4.5-inch display built directly into the remote. It includes 2 batteries for longer flying sessions. This drone stands out because of its built-in screen transmitter, eliminating the need for a smartphone. The GPS and obstacle avoidance make it beginner-friendly, and the brushless motors provide smooth, quiet flight. While it's not a high-end camera drone, it's perfect for casual flying, travel, and vlogging. Pros: budget-friendly FPV drone. Includes controller with built-in display. GPS plus obstacle avoidance. Long range with 5G Wi-Fi. Comes with 2 batteries. Cons: only 1080p camera quality. Limited stabilization compared to premium drones. A great entry-level GPS drone for beginners and travelers who want a reliable and affordable FPV camera quadcopter. Number 3. Holystone HS600 4K EIS drone. The Holystone HS600 features a 4K EIS camera, 2-axle gimbal, 20,000-foot range, integrated remote ID, GPS, and brushless motors. It also supports Follow Me mode and level 6 wind resistance. Holystone has always offered great value, and the HS600 continues the trend. The video quality is improved with EIS, and the long transmission range is impressive at this price. It's stable in windy conditions and performs reliably for aerial shots and beginner filmmaking. Pros: 4K EIS camera with stabilization, 2-axle gimbal, long 20,000-foot range, GPS and intelligent flight modes. Budget-friendly compared to premium drones. Cons: still not as stable as 3-axle gimbal drones. Battery life could be better. Perfect for users who want strong performance and long range without paying DJI-level prices. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2 Fly More combo. The Potensic Atom 2 features a 4K camera for video, 8K photos, 10-kilometer transmission, a 3-axle gimbal, AI tracking, vertical shooting, and night shot capability. It weighs under 249 grams, making it ideal for travel and registration-free flying in many regions. This drone delivers amazing value with its 3-axle gimbal and excellent photo resolution. The AI tracking is accurate, and the compact size makes it extremely portable. With up to 96 minutes of flight time using the Fly More combo batteries, it competes strongly with higher-end drones. Pros: 4K video and 8K photos. 3-axle gimbal. Super lightweight under 249 grams. AI tracking and night shooting. Long flight time with Fly More combo. Cons. Low light video still not as strong as DJI. App interface could be smoother. One of the best compact travel drones of 2025 with excellent stabilization and smart features. Number 5. Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro features a triple camera system, including a 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor, advanced telephoto lenses, 43 minutes flight time, and 15-kilometer HD transmission. It's FAA Remote ID compliant and built for professional filmmaking. This is one of the most advanced camera drones ever made. The Mavic 3 Pro's image quality is unmatched due to the Hasselblad camera. The multiple focal lengths open up cinematic possibilities, and the long flight time helps with extended shoots. Pros. Professional-grade Hasselblad camera. Triple camera setup for cinematic flexibility. Long 43-minute flight time. Excellent obstacle avoidance and stability. Premium build with powerful flight performance. Cons. High price. Overkill for beginners. If you're a professional content creator, filmmaker, or drone photographer, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is easily the best premium drone of 2025. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more product reviews and tech updates. Let me know in the comments which drone you like the most or what product you want me to review next. See you in the next video.